Hey there! Welcome to our tour of the olive oil soap factory. Today, I'm happy to show you how to make natural, luscious olive oil soap from start to end. Let's dive in and watch the magic happen. First, we have the introduction of the key ingredient, olive oil. This factory sources high-quality extra virgin olive oil from local growers. It's incredible to imagine that the same olive oil used in delectable Mediterranean meals is also utilized to create nutritious soap. Every batch of olive oil is thoroughly examined for purity. Other necessary ingredients include lye, water, and on occasion oils such as coconut or palm oil for added lather. All of these items are prepared and ready to use. Now let's go to the mixing area. Here the magic begins. Workers transfer the olive oil and other oils to enormous stainless steel vats. Then they add a solution of lye and water. This mixture initiates a chemical reaction called saponification, which converts the oils into soap. Watch how these industrial mixers combine everything into a smooth, thick concoction. It's exciting to see how the oils and lye combine to form the base of our soap. Next, we'll add some individuality to our soap. Essential oils such as lavender, eucalyptus, and citrus are used to add scent. Natural colorants like clays, herbs, and even charcoal are used to provide a beautiful, natural appearance. This is where the soap begins to take on its distinct personality. The mixture is vigorously agitated to ensure that the fragrances and colors are uniformly dispersed. The entire factory smells fantastic at this point. Now the soap mixture is ready to pour into molds. These molds can come in a variety of forms and sizes, from big blocks to individual bars. Pouring the mixture carefully ensures that the soap sets evenly and without air bubbles. After filling the molds, level off the tops and lay them away to harden. This process can take anything from a few hours to a few days, depending on the recipe and the size of the molds. Large blocks are meticulously chopped into separate bars with wire cutters. The bars are then inspected to ensure they meet quality standards. The bars are placed on racks to cure. This curing procedure allows the soap to dry and solidify entirely. It can take anywhere between 4 and 6 weeks. Patience is essential here, as this process guarantees that the soap is gentle and long-lasting. Quality control is essential for ensuring that each bar of soap is excellent. Workers analyze each bar for flaws, such as cracks or uneven texture. They also analyze the soap's pH to ensure it is friendly on the skin. Any rough edges are smoothed off, and the bars are polished to give them a clean, finished appearance. It is all about the details. Once the soap has passed all quality inspections, it's time to package it. Each bar is wrapped in environmentally friendly packaging and labeled with ingredients, aroma, and production date. The packaging not only preserves the soap, but also makes it appear attractive and ready for sale. The wrapped bars are then packed and ready to dispatch to shops or direct to customers. It's always amazing to see the finished product, especially knowing how much attention and artistry went into each bar. And there you have it, from fresh olive oil to neatly packed soap bars. This is how olive oil soap is made. It's a fascinating process that blends science, artistry, and a great deal of care. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I did. Thank you for viewing, and please support your local craftsmen.